everybody. I know this video is coming right on the heels of my first update my first video for today, but I wanted to send out this update because the market's getting very active around this level, and whenever the market starts moving very quickly, it's easy for us to forget about our overall strategy. We get caught up in the emotion, we get caught up in what's going on in the marketplace, and we stop really thinking about what we're expecting and what we're planning for. Okay, first of all, you've got to notice that the trend is now shifted to the downside. Remember, based on this high here and these highs here, the market was trading sideways. Okay, anytime you start getting lower lows here, but then higher highs, that's when the market is mixed, and that's when you can say that the market is trading sideways. Once the market turned here, now we've got consistent lower highs and consistent lower lows. Okay, so we've now moved into a short-term downtrend. What this means is I'm looking to take short trades, but I want to make sure that the trades are confirmed. At this point, we've got two possibilities. Either the market's going to break through the channel here, the flag, to the downside, or the market might come up, retest support now, and then take off. Remember, this retest here is called, let me get a different color. This retest here is called the Little Dipper, and it's very, very common in the market. Let's go down to the hourly bar and talk about what might be happening here. Okay, what might happen is the market comes right back up here to 98.50 and starts heading back down again. You can see that once the market pushed through this support area the first time, that's exactly what it did. It pushed through, retested, and then came back down. We have to go down to the 15-minute bar to really see it. But here you can see this is where the market pushed through the first time. The very next 15-minute bar you can see pushed up into the resistance area. It couldn't hold, and it started to falter. If you had, this was the first sign, had you been watching what was going on, that this position was more than likely going to continue moving down. As soon as the market could not hold the support area, that's your indication that the momentum is continuing to the downside. So what are we watching for here? Let me go back up to the hourly bar. Remember, I don't make trading decisions based on the 15-minute bar. That's where I make my trading triggers. I make my trading decisions on the hour bar and up. So here we're looking at, remember this, sorry, got to adjust myself here. We're looking at a couple of patterns here. This is a sneak attack. Remember, a sneak attack comes in when the market makes a very fast move, breaking through support. This is where we target the 1.272 level and the 1.618 level. But we've also got some overlap here from the longer move. Look at this. We've got a couple of, this is called Fibonacci overlap. And look, we've got exactly two levels at the same price or within a pip or two. This indicates to me that there should be a lot of support here. So what we've got to watch for is if the market can hold this area and it starts to make a bounce upward. Remember, for a long position, we've got to ideally wait for the 3-bar reversal, but we've got to watch and see if the market holds resistance here. Okay, that's going to be the key. If it does hold resistance, we've got the Little Dipper pattern for a move back down here, probably into the 97.50 area. So I am looking to take some short trades here. I just need to see some confirmation first. Because the trend is now verified to the downside. We just have to wait and see what forms up here in the next few hours.